Hello, this is Muhammad Al Faris reviewing another knife from Victorinox. This one tiny one. It's called Classic Precious Alox. It comes with a special box. I like the standard one from the plastic versions. Let's check it out. I picked this color. I like the contrast with the logo. It have a unique pattern. You can check it out in the light. It's different than the usual Alox. It's a keychain one. Same knife, tiny one, but very sharp and useful. It comes with also this micro screwdriver and this nail, or you can use it for sanding stuff, and the knife that come with all their classic SD version. Other than that, it's the same as the usual ones that they sell with their different colors, plastics and Alox aluminum. Usually they say the aluminum comes with stronger springs and mechanism. Let me check it out. I feel it's stronger than the normal one. In general, the Alox version is more expensive and more robust, and they are less likely to get scratched, but they fade, the color a little bit fade. But really this is a unique design. I don't think it will be stable, so pick it up if you are interested. They have 4 colors. Gray, I think around golden, and this one, and another color, I think it's black. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Hope you like it. If you're interested, I review more versions of Victorinox and outdoor knives. Only quality stuff for me. Thank you so much.